Okay, hello, Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Kazran and I'm a student of Foundation in Engineering at UiTM Likea. So today, I would like to share to you how to use Google Sheets like a professional. Okay, firstly, you need to open your Google Chrome and then you will see in the right corner, they have a square dot and click on it and scroll down until you see these sheets, docs and slides. Then double click on sheets because we want to learn about spreadsheets today. Okay, after that it will appear like this. Okay, before I continue, I will explain about this section. Okay, this section is like your sheet history, what you do before this. Okay, for example, like today, I open file exam at 9:26 p.m. I open to do list at 3:44 p.m. Okay, it will make us easier to finish our undone work if we are still unfinished before. Okay, then I will explain about this template gallery. Okay, as we can see here, template gallery, the Google already prepared this template to make our work easier. It's already divided into personal, like to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, also work, uh, project management, also education. Okay, back to our topic. Okay, we will click on this blank because we want to create a new Google Sheets. Okay, after we click on the blank, it will open the blank sheets like this. Okay, this rectangular is we call it cell, and every cell have their own address. Okay, this address is will make is easier to tell another users that use the same sheet to make some work. For example, okay, this square we call it the name is B2 because it at column B at row number 2. Okay, if you want to tell to your friend or other user about the one data, example, you just can tell about you just can tell the name like B4, B2 or like this C2, D2, and it will make them easier to see the data. Okay, at the bottom you can see I have a one sheet here, sheet 1. And if I want to add another sheet, I can just click this plus icon, just click it, and it will appear the second sheet in the same tab. Okay, for example, I want to rename it. I just need to double click on it, and it will highlight the name, and we can just type the new name. Okay, for example, I didn't want this sheet. What I need to do, I just need to right click and then click delete, and okay, to delete this sheet. Next, I will show you how to open a new sheet. Okay, first we click at file. Okay, we can choose either new, open or import. Okay, for new, we can choose either we want to create a new spreadsheet, maybe we want to create a new document or presentation, and it will open in a new tab. Okay, its same will open. If we open, okay, we can choose the file from my drive, the file from that share with me, start, reset or upload. If we choose this, it will open in a new tab. Okay, but I want to choose I want to import the file. Just click the import. Okay, and it will appear this. Okay, we can choose either we want to upload the file, we want to choose the file that share with me, that share with us. Okay, so now I want to choose the file from my drive. Okay, then click the file that I need to choose, then click select. Okay, before we import the data, we need to choose either we want to create a new spreadsheet. It will create a new spreadsheet, add a new tab, either or we want to replace this spreadsheet. But I want to choose, I just want to insert the new sheet. So just click insert new sheets and import data. Okay, after we click import data, it will appear the new sheets here like this. Okay, next I want to rename these new sheets. I just need to double click, then I want to name it exercise 1. Oh, exercise 1 and enter. Okay, this exercise 1 we will use later as our sample that we will use to learn how to create a table. Okay, next I will show to you how to create the table data. Okay, first we will use this exercise, this sample, to make a new one. Okay, the first one I want to make this table header, number, student's name, part A, part B, post number, and total marks. Okay, what I need to do, we choose the which cell we want to start the table. Okay, like I want to start the table at B3, cell B3. Double click on it and type the data, number, students, name. Okay, before I finish the fill the data, we can see here the student's name is exceed this cell. So what I want to do, we can choose either we want to merge the cell or we can just drag the cell. Okay, I will choose to merge the cell. Okay, what I need to do, I need to highlight the cell and the exit cell, then click format, merge cell and merge horizontally. Okay, after we merge, the cell will be one cell instead of two cell. Okay, next I also want to drag the column to make it bigger or make it smaller. Okay, next, okay, just fill the data. Okay, as we can see, the total mark also exceed the cell, the head cell. So I didn't want to merge it, I just want to drag the column to make it bigger. Okay. Okay. Next I will teach you how to that we missed to fill for. Like me, I forgot to fill the percent at the percent at part A and part B, like exercise 1. Okay. So what I need to do, just click on cell that I want to add and click add this box, this formula box, and just add the weight and the percentage that I am missing before. Okay, and it automatically fill at the cell. Okay, same with part B, just click on it and click at the box and add the data. Okay, it's already automatically appear here. Okay, so next I want to fill the number like 1, 2, 3, and then on, but I didn't want to fill the data one by one if I need to fill it to 1000. So what I need to do, I just need to, okay, first I clear the data. Okay, what I need to do, just write the sequence like 1, 2, and then we need to highlight this cell, and we can see here it have the small blue square, and we just need to drag it and it automatically it will appear, it will fill automatic the sequence here. Okay, next we just need to fill the data based on the sample exercise 1. Okay, but before we fill the data exercise 1, I want to show here that we already know that we already merged the student's name from 2 cells to be 1 cell. So we need to merge all the column under the student's name to fill data. Okay, but we could not merge everything like format, merge cell, and merge all. And we cannot do it because it will be like this. Okay, what we need to do, okay, undo first, okay, highlight, and then format, merge cells, and merge horizontally. Okay, and it will merge horizontally one by one like this. Okay, then just continue to fill the data like the exercise before. Okay, after finish fill the data, all the data except the total marks, because for total marks we have another calculation that I will teach after this. Okay, next I will show how to insert the border at this table. So the first thing we need to do is we need to highlight all the table, and then click at this icon border and choose all borders. Okay, we also can choose the thickness, the border style. Just click here and we can choose maybe can change the thickness, or we want to the dot maybe, and but I will choose this. And we also can change the color. Just click this icon and choose the color you want, but I just want to use the black color. Okay, next I want to show you how to refill the color in this table to make the table more beautiful. Okay, the first thing we need is highlight this table header, and then click this fill color and choose what color you want. Okay, like I want to fill it with the blue color. Okay, then for the data also, I want to fill it with the color. Just highlight the data, click the icon fill color, and choose the color. Okay. Okay, for the next step, uh, it for the next step is will be to calculate the total marks. Yes, we can calculate the total marks using manual calculator, but this calculation that I will show after this is more convenient for us to uh, save our time to calculate the mark. Okay, so the formula that we will use is total mark equal to part A plus part B plus bonus mark. Okay, this is a formula for total marks. Okay, next we can choose either we want to uh, use the formula, we want to type the formula in this cell or this box. Okay, if you want to use the formula, the first thing is we need to put is the equal sign. Okay, if we didn't put the equal sign, it will not do the calculation. Okay, so we know the formula of total marks is total marks equal to part A. Okay, part A is 7. Okay, what we need to do is we type the address cell, the name address. Okay, like 7, you know the address is E4. You can write the E4. Then plus the plus part B. Part B is F4 plus bonus mark. Bonus mark is G4. Okay. We also can, if we didn't want to write the cell address, we can just click the cell like this. Okay, it will automatically fill to this equation. Okay, then we just enter and it automatically calculates for you. Okay, next, to save our time, what we need to do, just click on the cell and then we will see this small square and we just need to drag it and it automatically will calculate all the data without waste our time to calculate it. Okay, if we want to see the calculation, the equation, we can just click at the cell and this and it will appear at this box, or just double click on it and it will show the equation. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, you can recheck the answer if it's correct or not. Okay, next, I want to show to you the more feature that we can use in this spreadsheet. Okay, for example, I want to make this table header to be more clear. What I need to do is just highlight the table header. Then I can click the bold. Okay, to make it clear. And also we can change the font size if we want, and also change the font. Okay, next we also can setting the alignment of this data. Like I will highlight all the data and go to this horizontal align. Can choose either I want to make it to left, make it the right, or center. So now I want to make the data the alignment center. Click the center, and it automatically all data, because I highlight all the data, and it will the data will be centered. Okay, the last feature that I want to show to you, that I want to arrange this data from highest to the lowest mark, from ascending to descending. Okay, what I need to do first, usually we need to highlight it first and go to the data and click on the sort range. Okay, after we click at the sort range, we need to choose the column that we want to sort by. Okay, as I said before, I want to sort based on the total marks. I want to see which person, which student have the highest mark. So as we all know, the total mark is the column H. So we change sort by column H and choose at the A to Z, which is lower to the highest mark, or ascending. I also can use Z to A, which is highest to the lower, the descending. So I want to see the lower to the highest mark, so I choose A to Z and click sort. Okay, and I automatically sort the data from the lowest to the highest. As we could see here, the lowest mark is Akil bin Tamri have the lowest mark, which is 16, and the highest mark is for Balkis binti Malik that have got 23. Okay, same if uh, I want to see the data from the highest to the lowest mark. Just need to highlight the data and go to data, sort range, and choose the column. Don't forget to choose the column which you want to sort by. So column is total marks, and choose Z to A, the highest to the lowest. Click sort. Okay, it's already sort from the highest and the to the lowest. As we know before this, the highest mark is Balkis Bentimali and the lowest mark is Akil Bentamiri. Okay, for the last step for this tutorial, I will show you how to name this file, this spreadsheet. There is a simple step. You just need to go to this endless spreadsheet, just click on it and automatically highlight the name, and you just need to rename it. For example, I want to rename it for final exam 2020. And you automatically save your spreadsheet in your Google Drive. Okay, that's for this video. I hope you enjoy with this video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel, and there are a lot of video I will share with you later. Thank you.